Neil Abercrombie is the best qualified candidate to be our next governor. He's also one who has been very supportive of minority groups. Filipinos, for example, one who always strives to make sure that people are treated equally. His being a former university professor, that was right up his alley. And then he became chairman of the Committee on Education, which deals with the public schools. And let me tell you that if he was governor, he wouldn't have the problems that we have today with this business about the furloughs and all that. So he's very, very well experienced in education, which is a top state issue. For those of you who may be in the business of contracting and stuff like that, you'll find that among the people who are running here is clearly the better choice in terms of his honesty and his dedication to keeping the public trust. This is a very, very important election. We know from reading the newspapers, the state is suffering from economic problems, like state government, to be honest. You need somebody who understands what's good for the public in the long view, and one who will listen to the different segments of our community and their interest in what the state government does. And that's what I like about him, because he will listen. His door is always open. I can't say that for some of the other people who have ambitions for higher office.